Hello guys, this is Urbanized Media. Welcome back again to my channel. If you are new here, just subscribe to my channel and stay tuned so that anytime I post a new video, you'll get notified. So guys, what we are talking about today is entertainment in Nigeria. We all know that Lagos is the entertainment hub of the country, and actually like the only entertainment hub that we have in the country for years now. So over these years that it's been worrisome, like why can't any other city come up to be an alternative to Lagos when it comes to entertainment? But something just happened of recent. A convention center was opened in Anambra State, a very massive one, international standard convention center that has a seating capacity of 10,000 people. So people are speculating, people are having their opinions, saying that Anambra could be an alternative entertainment hub to Lagos, being that Anambra is a vibrant state economically, is a well-urbanized state, having so many urban areas, so many economic hubs, so many commercial cities, so that the people of Anambra can actually afford entertainment to pay for the tickets, tables, regular tickets and all that, and they can actually pull up the population to turn up during any event, any entertainment event, big or small. So with all these speculations now, and Anambra now has an airport, that will support entertainment. So with all this now, people are saying that Anambra can actually be an alternative entertainment hub to Lagos in Nigeria and even Africa. So I don't know what you guys think. Lagos State has a Ckay Hotel and event center, a Ckay Hotel Convention Center over these years, where they host the biggest of shows in Lagos State, and such place has been opened in Anambra State. Do you think that Anambra can scale up, can do something, can create a viable entertainment hub that will be an alternative to Lagos State, that instead of artists moving to Lagos, they can come down to Anambra and make it big? They can remain in Anambra Southeast and make it very big as those in Lagos State. Let's hear your opinion on this. Drop your comment at the comment section. Let us know what you think about this.
So does your wife.